recording and stuff. Hello, welcome back to Pixel Palace! Coming at you once again, whether you like it or not.
Wait, we're going to them?
Yes!
Yes!
Go to them! Go! Right, we're just going to play a little game. Just a little game.
I spy with my little eyes.
Sure, why not? Something being with C.
See, I thought you went for the ruder version.
No! I can't see any of those. Wait a minute. How would you say your video game knowledge is?
Not competitive, great, but casual gamer, yeah. I know bits and bobs.
We're going to play video game sound effects. And all we have to do is just try and guess what they're from. What it is and what they're from. That's literally it. Just to help us out a little bit.
Can I press it?
It's not
on. Why do you do the sound?
Well, yeah, actually. This will be your buzzer, so I'm going to record what your buzzer's going to be. I am Batman. So that is your buzzer.
Can I try it?
No.
I am Batman. Okay, how do I do it? What do I do?
You just hold it down until the beep, and then you say whatever.
And the sword of the spirit.
Your buzzer will sound like this.
I am Batman.
My buzzer will sound like this.
And the sword of the spirit.
This is so much fun. Okay.
So I'm just going to press on this first one by Trivia Butchers. Thank you, Trivia Butchers.
Thank you, Trivia Butchers. Why'd you deal with meat and trivia?
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Here we go.
Mortal. Like, who gets that?
Is it Mortal Kombat?
It's Mortal Kombat.
Is it?
It's
Yes!
definitely Mortal Kombat.
Great.
Who gets that point?
Me.
If you've got a point just hovering by you, can I just go?
Pac-Man.
And the sword of the spirit.
I think it was me again.
Fine. I can see what's happening.
That was the Super Mario jump.
Is that Guitar Hero?
I don't know. Literally no clue. It's Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2. You could not be more wrong. I think we need to deduct a point.
I'm gonna say Grand Theft Auto.
Sounds a bit Grand Theft Auto-y. Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. You can have that one.
Is that Halo?
League of Legends. I've never played League of Legends.
Whatever.
That's Pokemon when they're evolving. Is that right?
I think that's Gen 3 as well, that sound effect.
Oh,
yeah.
You know your specific
I know,
generations,
right?
do you?
That's Ruby and Sapphire. What was that Pokemon? What was that Pokemon?
Zubat.
No, I think it was a Geodude.
Damn it. It was Pikachu.
Was it a Pikachu? Evolved to a Raichu. Oh. Not a Geodude at all.
We should deduct a point.
What?
Jordan's evolving! Jordan evolved into an absolute moron.
Are you having a laugh? Can we just have a stab in the dark each?
Okay.
I'm going to go with Alien.
And I'm going to go with Alien. Among Us! Oh, of course! That's the button you press when you think someone is sus.
Not Age of Empires. Yeah, actually, I'm going to go with Age of Empires. What is it?
Age of Empires!
Oh, sorry, I shouldn't do that sign. Yeah.
And the sword of the spirit.
Tetris?
Tetris!
Overwatch. Oh, these are all like the kids' games.
Oh, yeah. Whatever.
We're so uncool.
And the sword of the spirit.
That was Chocobo from Final Fantasy VII, I believe.
Wow.
Yes!
Yeah. Yeah, I bet people are watching going, it's obvious what it is. And
It's
you think,
obvious.
It's obvious, isn't it?
I know. I'm just trying to give it to you.
Oh, thank you.
Skyrim and Oblivion. Oh.
I've not played either of those games. It's the best game, isn't it? Resident Evil.
No.
And the sword of the
It's
spirit.
Minecraft. Opening a chest in Minecraft.
Oh.
But you buzzed first, so I don't think I get that point.
Yes, we're sticking by the rules of the game so far, yes.
I don't know who's winning.
FIFA.
FIFA with guns. Now that's a game I would play.
I would totally do it. Score or die!
Oh, FIFA!
And the sword of the spirit.
I'm gonna guess Final Fantasy 14.
I would have said Just Dance.
Oh, Witcher 3.
And the sword of the spirit.
That is Breath of the Wild, Legend of Zelda, when something happens. Puzzle solved. That's what I meant.
Five Nights at Freddy. What is it?
Roller Coaster Tycoon.
Is that it? I think you've won. Well done.
Maybe. I don't know. We're not quite done because now there's a little twist. We're going to basically play the same game again. But this time, instead of there being buzzers, I'm going to search iconic video game sound effects. And instead of playing them for you,
Okay.
I'm going to do them with my own mouth. Okay. I don't know if we've already had this one, but... Yeah.
Yoshi?
Yes! That wasn't part of it. Oof. Oof.
Wait, actually, do you know what? If I close my eyes, I can't see your expression, and now... Okay.
Oof.
Is it like a boxing game?
Nope.
Oh, have you fallen from a height?
Yes.
I can see the... What is it?
It's Minecraft. When you fall from a great height, he goes, oof.
Okay, I've got one.
Go on, go on.
This is going to be really bad.
Okay. I think I need another reenactment of that one.
No. It's like a... And things...
Is it like a spring thing? Like
No.
you jumped on something?
No, that's not what I'm going for.
Is it like an animal?
No, well, the character's an animal.
The character's an animal.
What I'm doing as well. And the expression. What is it? What am I doing? I'm upset.
You're
That's meant to be
upset. Oh my god, an upset animal that's going bah! Banjo-Kazooie.
No.
No, Donkey Kong.
No.
It's not a Pokemon, is it?
No.
It's a famous video game animal.
Yes.
It's not Sonic. It is Sonic.
Yes. Now, do you know what moment I'm trying to replicate? When he does this.
No. When he dies.
Yeah, well, when he dies, he goes. That was going to be the second.
Oh, do you mean like when he drowns?
No, when he gets hit and he loses the rings.
Oh! That sounded nothing like Sonic losing his ring.
How would you do Sonic losing the ring?
What do you think, guys?
Yes.
Do you think my sound effect was better than his? I think so. I'll be commenting down below.
You sounded like you were from Goat Simulator. Alright, this one you should get.
Okay,
Ow! Come on, snap out of it.
Is it a fish?
Oh, it's close.
Close. Is it some kind of aquatic animal?
Yes.
Do you play it?
No.
In an aquatic underwater?
No. It just happens to you randomly. You have no control.
Well,
You can either use it or you will be hit by it at some point.
Oh!
Yes! Go on, say it!
Mario Kart.
Yes!
With the ink thing. Yes! I can't believe I got
Oh
that.
my gosh! Thank God. Do you know? I don't know how that looked. Something. Or Mario.
Oh! I don't know how else to do it.
What is that?
But it's like an iconic game, like one of the most famous games. You won't not know it.
Can I hear it again?
No.
If I ever go to the toilet, that's what I'm gonna do now. Be like, it's not Spyro, is it?
No.
Crash.
No. It's like the most famous video game ever.
Space Invaders.
No, but you're thinking around the right lines. It's the most popular or well-sold video game of all time.
Oh, not Tetris, no.
Yeah.
Is it Tetris?
Yeah.
When does that happen during Tetris?
Let's see if I can find it. It's the game over noise.
Oh
when
my
you like all the blocks reach the top, it goes.
Some of us never reached game over.
All right then. I think we both won.
We both won.
In our hearts, and you, the viewers, have lost.
How we sign out? Should we just do our favourite noises as we sign out? Yeah, our farewell. Okay. All right.
I don't know. I don't think
Do
I
it. Do it.
Well, the last one. Thanks,
Farewell.
guys.
Take care.
We're gonna have a short fan break.
Fan break, my lord.
Oh my god.